This feels a bit faster than the EQE53. In my eyes, it doesn't deserve the AMG badge on the steering wheel. This is the new sound button. Wow, the sound is cool. Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with the brand new EQE53 AMG. And in today's video you will be joining me for a full walk around of this all new full electric AMG, and afterwards we will be also driving it on the Autobahn. So let's get right into it. Here in front of me we have the EQE53, but with the EQE you also have the EQE43 coming. The only difference is the performance and the system output. With the EQE53 we are talking about 626 horsepower equals 460 kilowatts, and with the additional AMG Dynamic Plus package it gives you an output of 687 horsepower which equals 505 kilowatts. We have an output of 350 kilowatts which is about 476 horsepower, and also the matic Plus system is only available for the 53s. Amazing spec here. We have the graphite grey Magno exterior paint, which I'm a huge fan of. We have the night package and some amazing wheels on this. We will be doing a very quick walk around and we will be focusing on the drive, okay? First of all, the front, the EQE specific front, looking absolutely different to what we know with the EQS already. We have the so-called Panamericana front grille showing that this is an AMG, and in addition with the nice matte Magno exterior paint finish, it gives the final touch. On the side you can see the main difference between the EQS and the EQE is just the size. The EQE is a smaller brother of the EQS, and also the battery size is not that large, which means that the reach of the electric battery is not that high as we have with the EQS. The nice multi-spoke AMG wheels here for the EQE in specific, 21 inches, I love them. And in addition to that we have the carbon ceramic brakes, but only for the front. For the back we don't have them. On the side everyone finished in black, EQE badge, matic Plus badge, only for the 53s. We have the seamless door handles. As soon as you unlock they pop out, lock they pop, move in, and we have the sound as well. So listen to this, and now, so cool. In the back we also have the rear axle steering supporting the turning circle of the car, giving it a very easy drive. And in higher speeds the car drives way more agile, which I love, and you can also instantly feel it. Talking about the rear, here we have the EQE specific rear, and I am a huge fan of the exterior paint, and in addition to that this car looks even better. So the tail lights of the EQE are comparable to what we have seen with the EQS Helix design, and since we have an AMG here, we have this huge spoiler sitting in the back, AMG emblem, Mercedes Benz star, EQE53 badge, all finished in chrome. The rear diffuser is almost the same as we have with the AMG line. Instead of 2 chrome bars we have 3. That's it. But let's talk. Now it's time to jump inside and start with the drive. Let's go. So we are now starting the drive inside the EQE53, and when we leave the Autobahn here we will be doing a race start, okay? The car is set into Comfort right now. The main difference between Comfort and Sport Plus is sound feedback and the drive itself. Also with the suspension it's way more sportier, more direct, more aggressive. So let's go ahead and switch the car into Sport Plus. On the brake. Oh! Also with the EQS53 we had this. You have a sporty race start sound in the inside, and also works like with the braking, and it's kind of rumbling, and then as soon as you put your foot off the brakes it pushed you forward. This feels a bit faster than the EQS53 because the EQS53 is extremely heavy. But yeah, how do you guys like it? Especially with the sound. It's so cool. Okay. I love the way they changed the design here in the display. It's very cool look. Also with the new steering wheel buttons here. Let me just go to the menu, and then we have the Amg Performance Menu, and here you can see the energy flow. And look, as soon as I'm accelerating, literally turning red. As soon as I lift my foot off the gas, you see the car's recuperating. The depending on which drive mode you are, which you can set with the shift pedals here. As soon as I shift up, we are in D+ now, so no recuperation at all. The car is literally, you see, it's losing speed very slowly. But as soon as I move down, now D auto, the normal recuperation. But as soon as I move down to D-, you can do the one pedal drive. It's extremely aggressive and strong recuperation. Look, you see that? Oh, no, we don't need that. We will be driving in D normal. And then you have the drive menu here, where you can see all the information, how much RPM, how much Newton-meter of torque. As soon as I accelerate, you see it's boosting up. With the vehicle itself, you can also see the way the suspension moves, how much power you have for each side, and the balance. Let's move to engine, and then you can see how much kilowatts and Newton-meter, charge, power, the torque, everything you need to know. And this looks simply amazing. I really like the look of this. You see that? As soon as I lift my foot off the gas, you see it's charging. As soon as I push it, you see with the power going up and up. So cool. Yeah, the Autobahn here is unrestricted, but unfortunately it's a bit crowded, guys. I'm sorry. The sound is cool. How do you guys like the sound feedback here on this car? I mean, you can set it or you can turn it off. No sound at all. You hear that? It's nothing. As soon as you move to Sport Plus and then you floor it, you hear it. It's fun, guys. I'm honest, it's fun. But is it a real AMG? What do you guys say? Is this a real AMG for you? In my eyes, it doesn't deserve the AMG badge, the 53 badge in specific, because the 53s for me are very fun AMGs, especially with the in-row 6-cylinder, extremely lovely models. But I also know why they called it a 53, because it's just a Panamericana front grille, just a few exterior interior updates, a bit of performance, as they also do it with the 53. And there's also no 63 coming of the EQE or EQS. Instead, we will be seeing a full AMG electric vehicle in the future, which will beat the Taycan and the e-tron GT, and I can't wait to see that. I've seen the vision of it and it's absolutely crazy looking. With this button right here, you see that on the steering wheel? This is the new sound button. You can change it from balanced, so no sound at all, you hear nothing, to sport, you hear a bit, and then powerful, it's way louder. It's cool sound feedback. And yeah, you can also set the sound, what kind of sound you want. That was kind of cool. Almost 200 kph, yeah. It's more dynamic, more direct as the EQS. I feel like the EQS is too heavy for that. As soon as you floor it, you have a different sound compared when you brake it. Listen, this is when braking, and then this is when you floor it. It's kind of cool. Guys, how do you like to drive with the new EQE53 AMG? Should we do a drag race between this and any other electric vehicle? Just leave me your thoughts and your ideas in the comment section below, and I will see what I can do. This car will be also soon in Germany, and we will be doing proper Autobahn runs, some nice race starts, stunt drivings, and whatever you like to see. So I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.